Crunchyroll, Adult Swim. The Shenmue anime series is almost here, over a year after it was announced at the virtual Crunchyroll Expo. It will premiere on February 5, 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, February 6, 12:30 a.m. EST, with Crunchyroll offering its subscribers the Japanese subbed version outside of Japan and China. Meanwhile, the English dubbed version will air via Adult Swim's Toonami anime block. Shenmue tells the story of Ryo Hazuki, who journeys from Yokosuka, Japan to Hong Kong to find his father's killer. The first Shenmue game was developed and released by Sega for the Dreamcast in 1999, and the second one was launched for the same console a couple of years later. Its third installment came way later in 2019. Series creator Yu Suzuki debuted the project at Sony's E3 press conference in 2015 and relied on fans' support via crowdfunding to make it happen. Shenmue 3 easily reached its $2 million goal and ended up raising over $6 million on Kickstarter. Shenmue the animation was directed by Chihiro Sakurai. One Punch Man Season 2, and will be 13 episodes in all. Kansuke Ishikawa, Tower of God, served chief animation director, while Kanto Shimayama, Bleach, wrote its script. Masava Matsukaze and Austin Tyndall voiced Ryo Hazuki in Japanese and English respectively. Landy, leader of the Chinese cartel Kai-Yu-Men, is voiced by Takahiro Sakurai Japanese, and Scott Gibbs English. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.